Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Mayur. Today in this video we are going to discuss something about Google Sheets. So let's start with the session. So first of all we are going to learn that how we can create Google Sheet. So, to create Google Sheet we must open our Google Chrome, and in the right corner we can find this option where we can select the Google Sheets option. So after selecting this we can just open up a blank spreadsheet and we can name it any as per our convenience. So we can change the name of the spreadsheet from here by double clicking this section, and we can rename it. And so I am renaming this spreadsheet as basic spreadsheet, and this basic spreadsheet it's automatically saved the moment I clicked the enter button. So in today's video we are going to learn that how we can share this spreadsheet to several people, and how we can protect cells, or how we can pin the selected terms of data. Like suppose we are having this sort of data in 4 columns C, D, E, F. So if we are going to print this sheet by Control plus P, all these cells from A column to F column will be printed, but we can also print the selected cell that was B5, so only one cell will be printed here. But we can change the setting as if we are going to print only C to B column, sorry, F column. So we are going to select C to F cells, and we are going to make print command, and then we can select the selected cells option, so only that sort of data will be printed. So we can here change the formatting of the paper size to landscape or portrait. So here we can find that only selected cells will be printed. So one more thing we are going to learn here, that how we can share this Google Sheet with numerous people. So we can add the email ID of those people, like I'm adding my one, so automatically that person will be notified when you will just share this spreadsheet with them after clicking done. And you can also change the setting of that spreadsheet by changing the link. This link, we can change this link that anyone who is having this particularly link can access to this sheet. We can also change that anyone with this link can only view this file or edit or comment to this file. So we are going to change the settings of this particularly spreadsheet by this section. For sharing we must click on this button and we shall get this notifications here. So coming to the protecting part, that how we can protect this spreadsheet, we can protect the subsheets also by just clicking here and clicking the left button of, and then clicking the protect sheet. We can add certain we can set the permissions for this sheet, that to whom I need to give this permission to edit or to. So I will restrict this to only me, so only I can change the settings for this particularly subsheet. You can see that this logo of a lock determines that this sheet is being protected now. And particularly we can change the settings for the cells as well, that we can protect if we are going to just protect the column C, then by selecting the column C and left click we can just put scroll down and select the protect range option. So we can set the permission for this range as well. So by only selecting a particularly column, we can protect that particular column that no one would be able to protect or edit that sort of column. So if you, even if you are giving the access to other people as well, they won't be able to suppress your data, they won't be able to change it. Only you can change your data, and they can just overview that data, and they can make the changes in the furthermore subsheets, but not in the subsheet in which you have protected. So that's the option you can get in Google Sheet. So this was it for the video. Hope you have liked it. Subscribe to the channel to get more informative videos like this. If you have any query regarding this video, please comment down below. I will try to resolve it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.